previous lecture, we discussed about the segmentation part. So in segmentation, there are basically two types of segmentation. Is this one is discontinuity based, and second one is similarity based. That is region growing or region splitting. In discontinuity based, there are three basic types. One is point detection, second one is line detection, and third one is edge detection. All we discuss about that all parts. Now in this next part is in this continuity based edge detection, there is one another technique is important, edge linking and boundary detection. So ideally the method discussed in previous section yields pixel laying on the image or edges. Okay, this part also we discussed in the previous lectures. If we know that, so point detection, line detection or edge detection, all these points are lies on the edge. But in some situation, well, in mostly situation, the image or edge of the image will be not clear image. So it has some noise, it has some distortion. So due to that, we cannot correctly identify the edge. So in that case, we can use the different techniques to link that edge. So in practice, the set of the pixel rarely characterized as edge completely because of some noise or break in the edge for non-uniform illumination and other effects. Okay, so due to some other problems, the edges are not clearly visible. It consists of some noise, it consists of some breaks or discontinuity. And due to that, we cannot correctly identify the edges. So for such type of technique or for such type of images, we can use the next technique. The edge detection algorithm typically follow the linking process of to assemble the edge, and then we can use the detection of the edge. So first we have to clear the edge. So we remove the noise on the edge, we remove the breaks from that edge. That means we have to link the edge and then we can go to edge detection algorithm. So these are the steps. So first edge, then we can use the different gradient operations with different operations. Then due to that we can identify the corrected, we can link the edges, and after that good edge image will be identified, and then we can use the edge detection algorithm. Now next is local processing. So for linking of the image, so there are different techniques. So one of the techniques is local processing technique. So one of the simplest approach for linking edge point is to analyze the characteristics of pixel in its neighbors. So the first or important technique for the linking of the image is that we can consider its neighbors. So neighbors, it may be 3 by 3 matrix or 5 by 5 matrix of the particular point xy in image that has been labeled an edge point on the edge point by one of the technique discussed in a previous lecture. So all points that are similar according to set of predefined criteria are linked. Now consider that. So how we can link these edges, or how we can link the pointer? Suppose this is our edge and this is our breaks. Okay, so for example, this is our image. Now this image consists of some breaks. So how we can link this? So for that purpose, we can define some criteria, we can define some threshold value, and depends upon that threshold value, we can compare the value on threshold value, and based on the criteria, we can link these two pixels. We can link this pixel and this pixel so as this break will be removed. So when we can link this pixel, there will be remove of that break. Same thing here. So using the local processing technique, that means we can define some criteria to link the image or to link the two pixels, and for that purpose we can consider the neighbor. So all points which are similar according to some of the predefined criteria are linked, forming an edge of pixel that shows this criteria or that share the common criteria. In that means, or in other words, we can say that all the points that share common property links together. See, we can say the grouping of the particular pixels. If the pixels have same criteria, then we can link this. For example, suppose we can group the students. So in that student, we can say that the class-wise student. So the same criteria for all students is they have group according to their classes. So first MSc first year, MSc second year, BSc first year, BSc second year. So that means all the pixels, same thing, all the students having a fixed predefined criteria, that is a class. Same thing here, all the points that share common property, that such points are linked together. Such points are linked, these okay, so all these points are links together. So this is our criteria, or one of the criteria. So based on such type of a criteria, we can link the ages, we can remove the breaks in the age. So there are two important property which are used for establishing similar age of the pixel in kind of analysis. That first is the strength of response of the gradient operator used to produce the age pixel, and second is direction of the gradient vector. So there will be two important. First is strength of the gradient operator, and direction or angle of the gradient vector. So using these two criteria, we can say that merging is possible or not, linking is possible or not. Okay, so see, the first criteria is strength of the gradient vector. Okay, so strength of the gradient. So we can consider the magnitude m of xy of the gradient vector at a specific point xy is given by the Euclidean vector. So by using Euclidean distance technique, we can find the distance, or we can find the magnitude of the pixels, or magnitude value of the pixel, and depends on that magnitude value, we can find the strengthness of the gradient. So the magnitude m of xy of this gradient vector at point xy. So for the specific point, we can find the Euclidean vector norm. So how we can find? So m of xy is equal to delta f of xy, that is equal to square root of g square xy plus gy square xy. So gx square xy and gy. So these are the distance between 2 points. Okay, so based on that, the formula will be converted to this g of xy is converted to capital G of x. This g of y is converted to g of y, and the square root will be becomes a 1/2. Okay, so here g of x and g of y are a gradient of x direction and gradient of y direction respectively. Now, see, this will be conversion. Only we can replace this term with this term, and this term will be replaced with this term. The square root is nothing but 1/2, 1/2 raised to 1/2. So here, thus an edge pixel with coordinate x0, y0 is a predefined neighbor of xy, is similar in magnitude to the pixel f at xy if, so we can consider one of the coordinate, for example x0, y0, and we want to find the neighbor pixel of that if the magnitude of xy and the magnitude of x0, y0 having the less than e. So the difference between these two is less than e. So that is magnitude difference is less than e. So e is nothing but some non-negative threshold. Here we can take the absolute value. So we can take the difference between two pixels. If the difference between two pixels is less than some predefined criteria, that is E, predefined threshold value E. So if the value is less than E, then it is linkable pixels. So by using this first, so the distance between these two pixels is less than or equal to E. According to this formula, we can say that the strength of the vectors are higher. So our strength of the two pixels are higher. This is first criteria. Now second criteria is angle or direction. Angle or direction. So formula is alpha of xy is equal to tan inverse g of x upon g of y. So where g of x and g of y is x gradient and y gradient. So what is g of x? So g of x is g of x, x comma y square, and g of y is g of y square of x comma y. So this G of x means point at one pixel and point at second pixel. We can take the division of that, and we can take the tan inverse option. If now see an edge pixel at x0 y0 in a predefined neighbor of xy has an angle which is similar to the pixel at xy if the distance or if the angle between these two or difference of the angle between one center pixel and one pixel is less than a predefined angle. So here A is non-negative threshold. So in previous strengthening technique, we can find the distance. If the distance or difference between these two distance is less than E, we can say that that is a linkable pixel. And second criteria is if the angle between these two pixels is also less than some specified angle, then if these two pixels are linkable. So a point in a predefined neighbor of xy is linked with pixel xy if both magnitude and direction criteria are satisfied. In this, that means equation this and the previous equation. So that is f of xy minus f of x0 y0 is less than or equal to E. So if both these two criteria satisfy, means strengthening of the pixel, strengthening or magnitude of the strength and the angle, if both pixels are satisfied, then we can say that these two pixels are able to join. Then that means we can join these two pixels if we can satisfy these two criteria. So this is local processing technique. So to illustrate this concept, consider we can show the one example here. This is example. Now suppose we want to identify this point. We want to identify this point. So here input image is given. We can G of y component of the gradient. So we can take the vertical section. So see here, in this section, it can only detect the vertical lines. See, it cannot detect this horizontal line. Okay, so in this image, only vertical lines are detected. See here, this one, okay, this one, or this one, something. So it detects only vertical line. Now this is G of y. Now here, another we can take the another x. So G of x is component of the gradient which are horizontal direction. So in this image, it can detect this horizontal direction here. See, in this it can detect the horizontal directions image. And when we can link this vertical and this horizontal image, we can get this final image. We can see here. These are the dark shades. So this can clearly identify the rectangles which are appear in this image. Okay, so this is linking process. Linking process मध्ये बघा ह्या इमेज मध्ये पहिल्यांदा काय केलं y डायरेक्शनचा तो वर्टिकल ग्रेडियंट घेतला. सो हे मध्ये फक्त वर्टिकल ज्या लाईन्स आहेत किंवा वर्टिकल जे बॉक्स आहेत ते डिटेक्ट झाले. दुसऱ्या वेळेस आपण काय केलं हॉरिझॉन्टल डायरेक्शनचा ग्रेडियंट घेतला म्हणजे त्यामध्ये फक्त आडव्या लाईनचे डिटेक्ट झाल्या आणि मग हे दोन्ही लिंक केल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय मिळालं हे आणि हे किंवा हे आणि ही लिंक हे इमेज सगळी लिंक केली आणि लिंक केल्यामुळे जॉईन केली आणि जॉईन केल्यामुळे आपल्याला बघा क्लिअरली हे जे मागचे बॉक्सेस आहेत किंवा मागे जे रेक्टँगल्स आहेत ते आपल्याला क्लिअरली विजिबल झाले. सो these are the techniques. So by using a y gradient, by using x gradient, and we can merge these two, we can get our final result. So to illustrate this procedure, figure A, we show the image of rear side of the vehicle. The objective is to find rectangles whose size makes the suitable for the license plate. We can identify, for example, we can identify the rectangles which are appear on this image. Okay, the formation of this rectangle can be accomplished by detecting strength of horizontal and vertical edges. So these vertical and horizontal edges which can form the particular rectangle. So the formation of this rectangle can be accomplished by the detecting strong vertical and strong horizontal edges. So figure B and C shows the vertical and horizontal edges obtained by using horizontal and vertical Sobel operator. So by using Sobel edge detection technique, these two lines will be detected. These two techniques are detected. Means g of x and g of y and g of x will be detected. Okay, so figure D shows the result of linking all these points that simultaneously has a gradient value greater than 25 and the angle is less than 50. Okay, म्हणजे याच्यात आपण परत पुढे काय केलं की how we can merge these two, how we can link these two. So for that purpose, we can say that if the gradient value is less, the magnitude gradient value or strengthening of gradient is less than 25 and the angle is less than 50, then we can able to join this. If we can decrease on this, so it can again remove some other points. समजा आपण हे 25 आता 15 म्हणजे स्ट्रेंथ आपण 25 घेतली आणि अँगल 15 घेतला. समजा अजून त्या व्हॅल्यू कमी केल्या तर अजून सुद्धा हे जे लाईन्स आहेत हे वरच्या किंवा हे जे पांढऱ्या लाईन दिसतात ह्या सुद्धा अजून रिमूव्ह होतील. सो these are the local processing. So in this local processing, two concept is important. You can have identify the gradient strengthening of a gradient, and you can identify the direction or angle of the gradient. Both value are satisfied, then we can able to join the pixels. So depends upon that, local processing will be takes place. The horizontal line were formed by the sequentially applying these criteria for the every row of the figure. The sequential column scan of the figure B is the vertical line. If you want to find the horizontal line, we can use the horizontal direction. If we have to find the vertical, so you can use the vertical direction. So further processing consists of linking of edge segment separated by small breaks and deleting the isolated short segment. Okay, so figure D shows the rectangle corresponding to license plate where one of the few rectangles detected in the image. So our aim of this program is to identify the license plate. So in this license plate, see these two also rectangles are detected. So we can identify a correct rectangle and then we can use. So it will be simple matter to locate the license plate based on this rectangle. म्हणजे आपल्याला ह्यामध्ये आपल्याला उद्देश काय की याच्यात कुठला रेक्टँगल प्लेट आपल्याला किंवा ज्या रेक्टँगल लोकेशन आहे की ज्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला लायसन प्लेट लावता येईल. सो दीज आर द आवर लोकेशन. त्याच्यावरून आपण ते आयडेंटिफाय करू शकतो. सो दिस इज आवर लोकल प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम. नाउ next is global processing. This is local processing. Now second technique is global processing technique. So in this section, points are linked by determining first if they are lies on the curves or not on the specific edge. आता इजात आपण काय केले की पहिल्यांदा आपण चेक करणार आहे की ग्लोबल प्रोसेसिंग मध्ये if we have to check whether the particular points are available on the edge or not. If the particular pixels are available on the edge, then according to some criteria, we can link that. So unlike the local analysis method discussed in a previous section, we now consider the global relationship between the pixels. आता मागच्या ह्याच्यात आपण काय केले लोकल रिलेशनशिप म्हणजे स्ट्रेंथनिंग आणि अँगल हे दोन कन्सिडर केले आणि according to that we can merge the pixels, we can join the pixels. But in this technique we can use the another technique. So given n points in an image, suppose that we want to find subset of these points that lies on the straight line. So here we can consider that n points in that image. Suppose that we want to find subset of these points which are lies on the straight line. One possible solution is to first find all the lines determined by the every point and then find all the subset of points that are close to particular line. So in this case we can identify the lines which are passed to that point and that lines which are near to our specific pixel, then we can join this. So one possible solution is to find all the lines determined by the every point or every pair of points and then find all the subset of points that are close to particular line. So here to this problem with the procedure, it involves the finding n upon n plus 1 divided by 2 comparisons. So it is nearly about n by 2 n into 2 lines, and then performing n minus 1 upon 2. So it is n3 comparisons will require. ह्याच्यामध्ये बघा आपल्याला भरपूर लाईनचे कंपॅरिझन करावे लागतील. जेवढे पॉइंट्स जास्त, सो वी नीड टू मोर द कंपॅरिझन. ओके, सो इट रिक्वायर्स मोर टाइमिंग. Okay, so this approach is computationally prohibited in all but the most trivial application. It is a time consuming task because it requires more comparisons. बघा हे ज्यावेळेस ग्लोबल प्रोसेसिंग वापरेल त्यावेळेस आपल्याला प्रत्येक पॉइंटची लाईन सेगमेंट काढावं लागेल, आणि लाईन सेगमेंट काढून त्या पर्टिक्युलर लाईन सेगमेंट आणि तो आपला जो पॉइंट आहे त्यामधलं डिस्टन्स आयडेंटिफाय करावं लागेल, आणि जे नियरचे डिस्टन्स असतील ते पॉइंट्स आपल्याला जॉईन करता येतील. सो इट रिक्वायर्स टू मेनी कंपॅरिझन, म्हणजे अनेक कंपॅरिझन करावे लागतील. सो इट रिक्वायर्स मोर टाइम. सो देअर विल बी अल्टरनेटिव्ह वे टू डू दिस, that is known as hub transformation. आता हा जो हब ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन आहे, सो वी हॅव टू कव्हर इन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. आता हे